PBCJ wraps up Child Month with the Pickney Sinting Edition of the PBCJ Watch Party, Saturday, May 30 from 6 to 9 p.m. at PBCJ's Studio National, 5 to 9 South Odeon Avenue. Come join us as we watch snippets of some of Jamaica's favorite old-time children's programs and screen the short film Flight at JAFTA Propella Film.
Come in, Kingston. Kingston, this is Mars.
The niceness continues with a performance of Jamaican ring games by the NDTC Singers. Then, entertainment strategist Ewan Simpson will guide us through a ring game sing-along. All the ring games and songs we used to sing at school, that is, long before everybody had a tablet. So, bring your friends, bring your family, and bring the children so they can absorb the culture. And as usual, there will be tons of prizes. The PBCJ Watch Party, the Pickney Sinting Edition, May 30 at 6 p.m. And remember, when we say 6, we mean 6.